Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel We Educators. Today on my channel I'm going to teach you about the topic how do honeybees make honey. So it's very simple and very easy. The work starts from honeybees take the nectar inside the colony and pack it away in hexagon shaped beeswax honey cells. So this one is the honeybee wax cells. So they collect their nectar inside this hexagon shaped beeswax. They then turn the nectar into honey by drying it out using a warm breeze made with their wings. So they use their wings and dry all this nectar and using their warm breeze. So they do like this. Once honey has dried, when they are using their wings, their nectar and drying with the help of their breeze, warm breeze, when the honey get dried out, they put a lid over the honey cell using fresh beeswax. Step by step, how does they make honey? Worker bees collect plant nectar. Step 1 is that from the plant, the worker bees, like female workers, are called foragers. They collect nectar from millions of plants. Okay, so the female bees who are called foragers, they collect actually a lot of nectar from the plants. Okay, then nectar taken to the hive. Then they collect that nectar in their hive. They have a special organ where they collect all the nectar from the plants. Then nectar to honey conversion begins inside the hive. This hive area, inside their hive, house bees begin the process making honey. Enzymes are added to the nectar and chemical changes begins. So the house bees, what they do, they start the making honey while they add enzymes and nectar, and the chemical changes begins when in their enzymes and nectar goes to these hexagonal area which is called beeswax. The nectar which they have collected from the plants that have highly moisturizer person, yeah, that means they have too much moisture, they are too much moisturized. Honey does not have moisture, so the bees place the nectar or the honey on combine and fan wings to remove the excess moisture. Actually their wings, what they do and the warm breeze, what they do just the moisture, they remove the moisture which is in nectar. Honey is stored in honeycomb when once the enzyme action is complete and the moisture level is low. The enzyme of the bees and the nectar, when they combine and action is completed, and the moisture which already has the nectar, I explained, that is goes low. So ripe honey is stored. The natural fresh, or you can say ripe honey, is stored in the cells of honeycomb. That one is the honeycomb is the hexagonal place which is called honey wax. The wax cap on the top keeps clean. The top of the wax always keep clean. So this is the process to make honey. How do honeybees make honey?